What is going on, you guys? My name is Ricky from Espresso Racer. If you guys haven't followed me already, please hit that subscribe button. What I'm about to do today is something I haven't done this whole entire channel so far. I mostly make POV videos and, you know, short clips here and that. But today what I'm gonna do, which is the most highly requested video and something I promised you guys at 1,000 subscribers, is going to be talking about the mods that I've done to this beautiful Royal Enfield Continental GT 650. Is 2019, and if you guys haven't seen it, I'm gonna show you a quick clip of type of videos that I normally do. Like I said, POV style, high quality, make you really feel like you're riding the bike with me. So let's get to that real quick, and then let's talk about all the mods that we've done. Alright guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed that small clip. Now to get to exactly what everyone has been asking for, and that is simply what are the mods that I've done. There's a lot, I'm not gonna lie, and I really told myself I wasn't going to do much when I first got it, but it got the best of me, and next thing you know, I think I did all the mods I think I could get to, at least most of it. There's still a few I want to do, which I will explain at the end of the video. For those of you that don't know, this is a 2019 Continental GT 650 by Royal Enfield. Got it last year in Jersey, brought it down here to Texas when I moved down here. And she has been an absolute blast. No issues whatsoever with reliability. I have about, let's see how many miles. I got about 9,300 miles on it. Like I said, no issues, and let's get to it. All right, so starting at the front, obviously, we have the X over here to pay homage to the cafe racer style look. Next up, I got the Diablo turn signals over here. So those came all from K-Speed. A lot of these mods came from K-Speed, which they're a great company to work with. They ship from Thailand, and I tagged them in almost all my photos because they have a lot of goodies in there. So turn signals from Diablo, the brake and clutch lever from TEC. I have the Royal Enfield side mirrors over here installed. Work a lot better than the ones that stick up and over. Next thing, we'll go to the rear over here. Something you guys always comment about, exactly what I did on the rear. I had a local welder go ahead and cut this because it stuck out all the way over here. So I had him cut it all the way over here, bring the stock frame over inward, and then just attach a simple LED light that I got from eBay. Works like a charm. Signals work great, very bright, no issues whatsoever. I went ahead and also got the bigger tires. These are the Pirelli Sport Demons. I believe it's 140 in the rear and 110 in the front, so a little bit bigger than the stock ones, and I think it helps tremendously in stability and higher speeds and all that stuff. As you guys probably see over here, we have the side panel, and these are also from K-Speed, Diablo branded. It's a simple paste on to the original one that, or the original plastic side panels that it came with over here. So on both sides I have that. So if you guys could probably see, the biggest part here that you could notice is probably the Diablo full exhaust system from K-Speed. This has been the biggest thing that has turned heads, gotten compliments on, and in my opinion, it sounds freaking phenomenal. So if you guys haven't heard it, here's a little warm start for you guys. It is louder for sure, not as loud as I thought it would be, but it definitely has a nice bark to it, has a good British sound to it, and everything about it I love. Probably my favorite mod out of this entire motorcycle. Now, getting to the performances, aside from that, I also have a DNA air filter, which is right inside the side panel over here. I also have a Power Commander 5 because with the DNA filter and the Diablo exhaust system, I was running like 50 miles before the gas light would turn on, and so with the Power Commander 5, helped with that a lot. I do need to get it tuned even more, but that'll be in the future, also along with some dyno testing as well. All right, so I believe that does it for all the mods that I've done to the motorcycle so far. As far as what I plan to do still, I want to go ahead and get the fork gators, which I already ordered. I just really need to install it. Another thing I forgot to mention on as far as the mods is that me and my buddy actually dropped the Clip Ons a little bit lower, just a few inches, like you can see over there. Give it the more streamlined look. In my opinion, the handle's even better than it was before, which is crazy. And so, fork gators, that's one of the mods that I'm gonna add on there. I want to also, like I said, get it dyno tested to really see what all the performances are. I want to go ahead and get the suspension changed because while I like this, I do want just something else to really take the turns even better. And I believe that's all I have planned so far. Possibly paint the tank, but honestly I love the Ice Queen, so maybe I'll actually just keep that the same. And so if you guys enjoyed this, please give it a like, subscribe, whatever all the YouTube stuff is. Again, thank you so much for everything that you guys have done. You guys have been amazing, and I wouldn't be here without you guys. So hope you guys enjoyed. Till next time.